Let's talk about cutting propagation, or some may call beheading. So this is a blue boy cactus. If you plant this, a cactus with tip, it will just keep growing one straight line. But if you plant like this is a cutting, it will not grow. It will just produce a side shoot, and that side shoot will grow. I have plenty of specimen here. So understanding this, if you want to grow a huge column of cactus, you need to plant the cutting with the tip, the top part, and you plant this one, it will grow into a big cactus on a straight line. But if you want to have more rootstock, then cutting is the best way. You cut it and then it will grow shoots. Look at this, it has grown two shoots. And if you cut here again, it will grow another two shoots, and you cut this one, it will grow another two shoots. So it depends on what's your goal. Here's another specimen. I have planted a cactus with tip, then it has grown straight, no shoots on the side. And this one is a cutting. As you can see, it didn't grow tall, it just grows shoots on the side. See, it has grown shoots on the side. Here's another example. This is the beheaded part, and it didn't grow tall, but instead it has grown a shoot on the side. This is the lower part of the cutting, and I have this, the upper part of the cutting, which has the top on it. As you can see, there is no shoot on the side, but it just kept on growing straight.